Welcome to our tutorial about raising custom errors. If we want to test our program for specific errors, then we can use what's called the raise method. Error.raise. Tab. Open parenthesis. Let's say error 61 and close our parenthesis. Now let's delete this code here and we'll insert a message box. ERR period number and let's open and close quotations and ERR.description. Tab. Let's run our program. Test drive A, error 61, the disk is full. For example, we can try a different error number. Error 55. Let's run our program again. File already open. Close. For more information about specific error numbers and messages, please check the Visual Basic help files. And this concludes our tutorial about raising custom errors.